A lot of people think user research and analytics are opposing forces. In some ways they are. They use very distinctly different tools, and I know a lot of data scientists will poo-poo things like surveys or focus groups as being somewhat like either like this is a small number problem and people answer surveys very weirdly, and then the whole like focus groups is like you have somebody leading it and actually kind of like prompting answers. Data scientists don't like those kind of methodologies, and so like there's a little bit of tension between the two. Analytics and user research are both trying to answer the same question, which is how do our users behave with our product, or how do our users interact with the product, and where can we improve? There was one time where I was trying to make a case that folks in Great Britain, when they come into a screen that we had in our UI that asked to pick your language of choice, and I was trying to make an argument that people in the UK didn't care whether they picked American English or British English. Like everything in my data set that I could tell was that this was an inconsequential decision and they were picking randomly. When I mentioned this to user research, they had piped up that like, yeah, we had literally sat there, watched somebody in Great Britain boot up this device, pick right before them American English, and they would ask them, why did you do that? And the user would turn to them and say like, it doesn't matter. And it was really neat to get that validation. I find user research is great at understanding at the user level or understanding like the motivation of users better than analytics is. But when you see the two can sort of like reinforce each other's belief, that's when you feel really good about that insight and those findings.